Have you ever thought about what moves you to enhance every bit of everything? Where others may see chaos, you see a harmonious symphony. For you, paper is the very sky where your dreams take flight. And the light is the magic that shapes and revitalizes everything it touches. In your eyes, metaphors color reality. They're the driving force, a distinctive signature that transforms the meaning of things. Rather than walking beaten paths, you carve your journey, thirsty to draw meaning from every single discovery. You transform adversity into adventure, consistently proving that growth often lies in discomfort, knowing there are gateways to life's profound rewards. You are a visionary, fueled by the tales of flight and the boundless stretch of imagination. Each space is your canvas, each idea an opportunity to surprise. We reimagine the whole. We see the magic in the ordinary and dig gems from the deep. Like wizards, we transform our world. Every creation is a call to arms. The future is a canvas awaiting our strokes. We are countless, united by vision and purpose. We ignite revolutions, raise banners, and paint stories waiting to be told. You are one of those with a restless heart who choose not only to exist, but also to create, share, and learn.